What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dustin with Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. Today we're going to help prevent another yard from flooding by extending out their downspouts and sump pumps. So let's get into it. All right, first things first, please always make sure you call before you dig. It's free. Get your mark out on. That way you don't ruin anyone's day, including your own. We're going to be extending everything from the back there where that downspout is, coming all the way across, all the way over to here. One of those is the sump pump line. I believe it's the one closest to me. We're going to be probably picking that up, putting that in. Everything's going to come in, go over here, 90 around, come out, 90 down, going all the way around, pick up this downspout, continue on, go all the way out here, under the sidewalk, to a pop-up right over here next to the street. So, let's get started. And here we go. Everything's completely dug out. All the way under the sidewalk. That's where everything's going to go at the end. We got the grass cut, everything flipped over. It's all going to come down here. Everything's going to tie in. Everything in the back, come all the way down. The second one right here is the sump pump. That's going to go straight down and tee into it. Come out, come over here, 45 over, 45 around the post. Come out here, 45 back into it, around the cable line, and go all the way out to the street. Now, to get it all piped up. And here we go. Everything is piped up, starting from the back. We're downhill to level here, having it go downhill all the way. Pick up a little bit more speed, downhill to level here. Tie in the pump station. Everything is tied in with a directional T. Come over here, downhill to level here. Also downhill to level here, everything goes under, and then I gotta go on the other side of the gate. On the other side of the gate, we are above the cable line, downhill to level still. Pick up the other downspout, directional T, put into it. And over here, everything is extremely downhill to level. Continue shooting all the way down, underneath, as far downhill level as you can possibly be. Then we go under the sidewalk, all the way here to the end, where we have the mini dry well, completely downhill to level. We have the rocks, we have the holes drilled, burrito wrapped. That way the system can last as long as it can. And voila, when all the water comes down here, it'll build up the mini dry well, build up, and then it'll facilitate over and then go on the street down to the nearest storm drain down the street. Now, time to backfill and show you how it all works. And here we go. As the water builds up and builds up, you see it's trying to leak out. Right now we're only at hose pressure. So if we actually had it raining, we'd have tons more head pressure coming out. And the pop-up would just pop all the way up. Water comes out, facilitates over the curb, go onto the street, and then we'll go to the storm drain down the street. That's exactly how you eliminate water from flooding your yard, by extending out your downspouts and your sump pump. And when there's no more head pressure to push the water up, the water will then be able to drain right back into the mini dry well underneath. So that way the pipe will help stay clear of water and prevent against freezing. Another job well done by Jersey Shore Drainage Solutions. As always, like, share, comment, subscribe. And until the next one.